What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is OK Taj. If you are new and returning, what is up? Make sure you subscribe to my channel, period. Today I am going to be coloring my locks, my babes. As you can see, got a little bit of color in them. And this is color that I did back on my birthday, so February 1st. So this is like a good 6 months colors, I guess. But this is what's in my hair now. But I'm about to go and color my whole head. Yes. I usually do the tips. But this time I'm gonna do my whole head. I'm gonna do the whole thing. I'm scared. That's why I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna record and make this a video, because if it come out bomb, I'm gonna be the baddest bitch out here, okay? Okay. Yes, it's not really much talking. It's just gonna be me coloring my hair. So, yes. So let's get into it. So this is what I'm going to be using. The Texan Tone and their Honey Blonde. I need to read directions because I'm terrible with directions, and I want to do this right, because usually I just, you know, slap it on my head, but I don't think that's the case right now. I'm a follow instructions. That's what I'm gonna do. Follow instructions. So in the box it comes with this the color, the blonde color. You can't see.
So I'm just sitting here editing the video, and I'm just like, yo, Taj, you really clumsy for one, and you're ditzy. Listen. I was trying to show you guys what comes in the box, but it didn't work out that way. And yeah, so like I'm gonna just skip like this whole part, and I just want to say, like, it comes with 4 products. Come with a booster packet, an applicator, the cream, and a conditioner. That's what comes in the box. And that's everything that you need to color your hair. And yes. I just wanted to say that because this looks crazy.
I'm gonna go and read the instructions and see what it says, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell y'all what it says, because sometimes I be having to take my time to process things. If you're going lighter than natural color, I just want to know, like, how do you get ready to color? To prevent stains, smear a little moisture around your edges, around your hairline, not forgetting the base of your neck and behind your ears. Be careful not to apply it on your roots. The first thing is, before you color your hair, you have to prep your hair. Stop. So it says add a little bit of moisturizer around your neck, your hairline, and everything else like that. I'm not sure what type of moisturizer they need, so I hope Vaseline is going to do the job just right, because Vaseline is just gonna have to do, because that's just what I have at this moment. So it says add the Vaseline around your hairline, behind your ears, and your neck. So that's what I am going to do right now. I hope I'm doing this right. Yo, the thing about me is, whenever I try to do something, I never do it correctly. Like, I never do it how I'm supposed to do anything. Like, I always just do whatever the freak I want in my head, or just in general. Like this. Honestly, listen, don't take tips from me, because I am not the best person to be taking tips from. because I could be putting Vaseline on my hairline this whole time, and this whole time it is not going okay. But you know what, it is okay because I do everything else right. As long as the color come out right, that's all that just matters, right? So next you are going to combine, you're going to put this one inside this two, and you're going to put the booster packet inside of this bottle right here. So I'm going to go and do that. Oh, skirt. Rewind. Make sure you put your gloves on, baby, because you don't want your fingers. I just brought Vaseline on my hand. But you don't want your fingers to be burned, so make sure you put on your gloves, baby. Ooh, and these fit me perfectly. Okay, so this section your hair in 4 parts. I don't have 4 parts, so I'm just going to section it in 2 parts. Actually, I'm gonna take this here, put this up. So I'm gonna take half of my hair and put this side up because it says section it in 4, but I don't have enough scrunchies for all that. Just gonna put that side up. Take this. Make sure you shake it up. Okay, so I shaked it up and we're just gonna apply it to my hair. I feel like I'm gonna apply it to my roots first because this part is already colored, so I'm gonna work from my roots down into it. I really set for like 30 minutes like I said. Then I'm coming back, checking with you guys, and we gonna see what the color is taking like. Alright, so it's been 30 minutes. I went, took a shower and everything. That's why I see some different clothes on. I'm all greasy. That's that melanin in my body. 30 minutes is up and we are about to see what the color is like. I have not looked at it at all, so this is the first time me looking at it with you guys. But look, it looked like it took. Probably not all the way, but and put my gloves on. Ooh, I'm so nervous because it looked like it took, but like, I mean, it's taken. I think I'm gonna let it sit a little bit longer. Let me look and see what it look like in the light. So, this is the hair. This is the color. It looks, I like really like, it's really blonde. But like, it's a cute blonde. It's something new, something different. I'm so excited. But I think I'm gonna just go ahead and wash this out. Okay, so I finished my hair and I'm happy. I just gotta go tie it down, let it dry, let it do what it do. You know what it do. So that is just the end of this video. This was my first lock video. So if you want more videos, just let me know what type of video you want to see and I'm gonna get it done for all my lock babes. So I'm out of here. Deuces, much love and much peace, and stay blessed.